What's up YouTube? Today what we're going to be doing is scratch testing some of Cernucci's gold, and that basically means to see the purity of the gold that they use on their products. Why? Because why not? Let's actually see if they're using real gold in their products, and let's see if it can stand up to these scratch test kits. Now professionals use this. It's not just something that's a play kit. It's actually used by actual real jewelers, and it's the cheapest type of gold testing you can do. You have other types of gold testing, like gold testing guns that could cost up to like $30,000. They can check the minerals inside the metal you're using and stuff like that. But I don't have no $30,000 for a video, so I'm going to use this one, which was like about 20 bucks. You can also get off of eBay or Amazon or wherever you want. Now the way I'm going to test the gold, I have a couple of different chains here. I have one chain that's 14 karat solid gold, or nothing's really solid gold, but close enough to solid gold that is gold. So I have a 14 karat solid gold chain. I also have other Cernucci chains that's been worn, and which means the gold is probably all worn off because it is gold plated jewelry they sell. And we also have some that aren't worn and have never been used or even touched. And I also want to test those as well. We have a white gold piece. I also have a 18 karat gold piece as well. So we're gonna test each one on the scratch plate. All right, so I kind of switched up clothes, everything, took a shower and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead.
Oh, you look like Where's Waldo? Where's Waldo? The red and white stripes. Oh, Waldo.
We're gonna get started with the scratch testing. We're gonna start with the real 14 karat gold chain first. We're gonna scratch that, and then we're gonna start putting the acid on them after we have all the scratching from the lines. All right, so this one, like I said, is a 14 karat solid gold. We're gonna scratch that one right here. Give it a nice streak line like that. So this should not dissolve when we put the 14 karat acid on there. So if it does dissolve when we put the 14 karat acid on there, we know that this is a lie and it's not necessarily 14 karat. Now this is the other Cernucci piece here that was used. It's been worn, so I highly doubt it has any gold left remaining on it. If it does, that'll be astonishing, but I highly doubt it. So we're gonna take this one here. We're gonna also do a scratch test on it right below the solid karat 14 gold piece. Like I said, highly doubt it. It doesn't even look like it's still gold. Let's try to get one of the links scratched on there. Because I feel like I said, it's gold plated, so it might not hold too much gold on there. We're gonna scratch this one at the bottom here. Alright, so it's kind of like a double scratch because the two links kind of got in the way, but we know this is a white karat, 18 karat gold plated, yellow 18 karat gold plated. The Cernucci chain that was used, this one, and then we have the 14 karat solid gold plated one. So we're gonna start with the higher solutions. Let's start with lower solutions first. We normally start with the higher, but let's start with the lower. So 10 karat gold, they should all hold up because it's supposed to be more gold in them than just 10 karat. You should want to wear gloves with this because it is acid, but we're playing with fire today, so I don't got that. All right, so here is 10 karat. They should not be dissolving. They should all be able to withstand that. And that's how the 10 karat's holding up. So as you can see in the bubbles, they are all still having the lines in there. So nothing's dissolved yet. This one's kind of looking iffy, but it's still there. You don't see any of the particles floating away or anything like that. So I think we're good to say that they all can withstand 10 karat acid, which means they are all at least 10 karat gold. That's good. Now let's go all the way up to the 18. We're gonna go to the 14 last to see how mine withstands. So mine should not be able to hold this 18 karat. It should just disappear. All right, so that mine is right here. Remember, this is the real one. Just gonna put this all on there. This should dissolve it. Oh, there's a bubble. That should, yep, see how it's just disappearing? Yeah, it's gone, completely gone. Yeah, right there. See how it's completely gone? That means it is not 18 karat. This one is the other one that's been used, so this one should dissolve away. There's this one as well. And then this one over here. Now, this one's completely gone. This is this one right here. So this one is this one right here. So this is not even 18 karat, as you can see, it's completely dissolved. Now the funny thing is these ones stayed. But I also low-key kind of feel like it could be because it's a different material. So you can see mine is gone, this one's gone, these two stayed. So 18 karat is at least in there. Or I'm pretty sure, I feel like it could be like a silver and the gold acid doesn't, you know, react with it. But let's just say for now that these are definitely at least 18 carats. Now we're gonna go for the 14 karat gold. This one should not dissolve mine because mine is at least 14 carats. So let's go ahead and see how this one reacts on there. Let's try not to melt the bubbles together, but we're gonna see. See, there's that one. Still in there. Gold particles are actually, it looks like mine may be just barely 14 karat. Well, we actually know at least 10 karat, so it's probably 12 carats of gold. I don't know if it's 100% 14 karat is what I'm seeing there. Let's try this one. This one here. And then this one here. All right, so we can kind of see it smoking a little bit. That's because it is acid. So right here, this one is withstanding all of them. This is the white gold one. It withstood all of the drips of acid. This one is iffy because it's like it doesn't withstand any of it. Except, yeah, it withstand the 10 karat, and that's the yellow gold one. It should be the same karat as the white gold one, but it's not. This one here withstood all three 18 karat, which is a small micro chain. That's this micro chain by Cernucci. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh. All right. Well, basically, this one withstood all of them, and then this one here withstood the 10 karat, 14 karat barely, and it's definitely not 18 karat. That's the real one here. So we know mine is at least 10 karat, even though it says 14. I think it's a 10 karat, or at least 12 karat, the highest carats of gold. And then this one withstood pretty much all of them, which is pretty interesting. All right, so basically we could come to the conclusion that the white gold chain, it withstood all of the acid. It withstood the 10 karat all the way up to the 18 karat, which is fairly interesting. But like I said, it's odd because it should be the same carats as this one here, the yellow gold one. They're both 18 karat gold plated, but this one only withstood barely the 10 karat gold because it's even dissolving on the 10 karat gold now. Now the other Cernucci chain, this one here that's been worn, the micro chain here, it actually withstood all of it as well, but I feel like it's iffy because I feel like it's picking up the other base metal, which is probably brass or something like that. And I don't think that works with the 10 karat gold acid or any of the gold acids. So I gotta look into that a little bit more. But it withstood all of the scratches. It withstood all the acid is what I'm saying. And then the white gold one also withstood all the acid as well. So I don't know, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. You've seen it for yourself. That's the conclusion. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to do the gold shop one next once I get some more gold shop chains because I pretty much lost all of mine currently. But we're going to do the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.